what they're going to find is the large language model is much more like a chemistry experiment, the outgrowth of which is something that is useful when refined, where we impose the logic of your business on the large language model in the security and intellectual logic of your business. And this is transformative. And what it means for investors and others is there is value in this market. You can identify where the value is very easily.
Dominance, growth, and innovation. Today, we've got some exciting news about Palantir Technologies. If you're an investor or thinking about becoming one, you might want to stick around. Palantir is making waves in the AI and tech sectors, and there's plenty of buzz about its stock. So, let's dive into why Palantir investors have a reason to cheer and why you might want to consider buying before the AI-driven comeback. First up, let's talk about Palantir's AI dominance. You might have heard prominent analyst Dan Ives describe Palantir as the Messi of AI, yes, the GOAT status. He's not exaggerating when he calls it the most underestimated AI play in the market today. But what makes Palantir such a standout in the AI field? Palantir's AI platform, known as Foundry, is revolutionizing the way businesses and government agencies operate. Foundry integrates data from various sources and applies advanced algorithms to deliver actionable insights. It's not just about crunching numbers, it's about transforming data into a strategic asset. This capability has positioned Palantir as a go-to solution for organizations looking to harness the power of AI. CEO Alex Karp has been vocal about Palantir's unmatched position in the AI sector. He confidently states that there are no real competitors in the U.S. commercial and government markets. This bold claim is backed by Palantir's extensive work with key government agencies, including the Department of Defense and various intelligence organizations. These collaborations highlight the trust and reliability Palantir has built over the years. In the commercial sector, Palantir's AI solutions are driving significant demand, particularly in the U.S. Their commercial division is thriving, with companies across industries leveraging Palantir's technology to enhance their operations. A notable partnership that's been making headlines is with Oracle. By joining forces with Oracle, Palantir can provide secure cloud and AI solutions that power governments and businesses worldwide. This partnership not only expands Palantir's reach, but also solidifies its reputation as a leader in AI-driven solutions.
A lot of this goes back to basic ideas of how you build things. Why you got to talk to people who are getting value and ask them, how are you getting value? Why are you getting value? Are you paying more or less for that value than you think you should? And that's exactly what you're going to see today. You're going to see people saying, I'm getting a lot of value. It went much quicker than I thought. I'm outstripping what I thought I could do. I'm much better than the people. It happened efficiently, and I don't think they'll say this, but I'm paying less than I think I should, and that's why I'm very happy about it.
Now, let's dive into the numbers, because we all know that earnings reports are a critical factor for investors. Palantir's recent earnings report was nothing short of impressive. The company saw a 17% year-over-year revenue increase, reaching $2.23 billion. That's an outstanding performance, especially in a market where many tech companies are struggling to maintain growth. This revenue surge was driven by strong international and U.S. commercial sales. Palantir's international business has been expanding, with new contracts and partnerships in Europe and Asia. This global reach ensures that Palantir is not overly reliant on any single market, providing a diversified revenue stream that enhances stability and growth prospects. But revenue isn't the only metric that matters. Earnings are crucial, and Palantir delivered here as well. They turned around from an 18-cent loss in 2022 to a 9-cent per share gain. This turnaround is a testament to the company's ability to manage costs and improve profitability. It also reflects the increasing efficiency of their operations and the growing demand for their AI solutions. CEO Alex Karp highlighted this success in his recent statements, saying, "The business is now growing at a scale and pace that even our most ardent advocates would have been hard-pressed to say was likely or even possible. This growth isn't just a fluke. It's a result of strategic investments in technology and infrastructure, as well as a keen understanding of market needs." Looking ahead, Palantir's guidance for 2024 is equally encouraging. The company is expecting a 45% increase in U.S. commercial revenue. This bullish outlook is based on the strong pipeline of contracts and the continued expansion of their customer base. For investors, this means that Palantir is well-positioned to deliver sustained growth in the coming years.
Yeah, good morning. Fundamentals are obviously improving at Palantir. What holds us back right now is valuation. It's the single most expensive name in our coverage universe. So great companies with great momentum sometimes look expensive on the opportunity set. And we obviously believe the opportunity set is enormous for Palantir and AI, but we believe there's going to be better entry points for the stock. The fundamentals, they've done a really nice job. The beginning of last year, for basically 75% of the year, they didn't produce anything. And then in Q4, things started to turn. They really cleaned up all the bad execution last year in Q4. And then in Q1, they had a really good number. So you've had 2 good quarters. I think they got in front of the AI wave better than others. Clearly, AI is really an infrastructure. If you look at what's happening with NVIDIA and all the other names, it really hasn't come to the software layer. Palantir is bucking that trend. They have seen great momentum in their suite, and customer adoption has been good. So give them credit where credit's due. They're doing a fantastic job there. But again, you go back to multiple being the single richest name in software. So you have valuation risks right now. You don't have fundamental risk. The fundamentals are really good.
So, what's the market sentiment like for Palantir? Well, it's pretty bullish. If you've been tracking Palantir stock, you'll notice that it's been on a roll. The stock is trading above its 5, 20, and 50-day exponential moving averages. These moving averages are key indicators of market trends, and when a stock is above these averages, it typically indicates buying pressure. Technical indicators also point to a positive outlook. The moving average convergence divergence (MACD) indicator, which is used to identify changes in the strength, direction, momentum, and duration of a trend, is showing bullish signals. Additionally, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, which measures the speed and change of price movements, suggests that Palantir stock is in a favorable position. But technical analysis isn't the only thing driving bullish sentiment. Analysts are also optimistic about Palantir's prospects. Citigroup analyst Tyler Radke recently raised his price target for Palantir to $25, citing solid upside for the company. This optimism is based on Palantir's strong Q1 2024 results and the positive trends in their business. One of the key factors behind this bullish sentiment is the growth in Palantir's U.S. commercial customer count. The number of U.S. commercial customers grew by an impressive 69% year over year, reaching 262 customers. This growth is a clear indication that more businesses are recognizing the value of Palantir's AI solutions. Moreover, Palantir's U.S. commercial revenue increased by 40% year over year, hitting $150 million. This robust revenue growth underscores the effectiveness of Palantir's sales strategy and the strong demand for their products. For investors, these numbers are a strong indicator that Palantir is on the right track and has significant growth potential.
The way I would explain it to my most important investors, which are individual investors, there's 2 parts of the market that are creating value people will pay for: chips and ontology. And you understand the chip side now, and now you're going to understand ontology. And what does that mean for your business? It means you can actually use this raw resource and process it into something that actually works. And if you want to see exactly how, watch the people presenting. You're going to see people in construction using it to build buildings quicker, cheaper, more accurately. You're going to see people in the hospital industry saying, how could I possibly ever distribute my patients ethically, fairly, and commercially relevantly? How could I distribute resources across? How can I manage my company as not abstract units, but as a portfolio? These things are happening within days.
With all this positive news, you might be wondering why now is the right time to consider buying Palantir stock. Here are a few compelling reasons. AI market growth. The AI market is expected to grow exponentially in the coming years. As a leader in AI-driven solutions, Palantir is well positioned to capitalize on this growth. Their advanced technology and established customer base give them a competitive edge. Strategic partnerships. Partnerships with major companies like Oracle expand Palantir's reach and capabilities. These collaborations not only provide immediate business opportunities, but also enhance Palantir's credibility and market position. Strong financials. Palantir's impressive earnings report and positive guidance for 2024 indicate that the company is on a strong financial footing. This stability is crucial for long-term growth and investor confidence. Bullish market sentiment. The current market sentiment is favorable, with technical indicators and analyst ratings pointing to continued growth. This positive momentum can drive further stock price appreciation. Innovation and leadership. Under the leadership of CEO Alex Karp, Palantir continues to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Their commitment to staying ahead of the curve ensures that they remain a key player in the AI space. Of course, no investment is without risks. It's important to consider potential challenges that could impact Palantir's performance. Market volatility. The tech sector is known for its volatility. While Palantir has shown resilience, market conditions can change rapidly, impacting stock prices. Regulatory challenges. As Palantir works with government agencies, regulatory changes could pose challenges. It's essential to monitor any shifts in government policies that could affect their contracts. Competition. While Palantir currently dominates the AI space, new competitors could emerge. Staying ahead in technology requires continuous innovation and investment. Geopolitical factors. Palantir's international business exposes it to geopolitical risks. Political instability or changes in trade policies could affect their operations in certain regions. So, what does all this mean for investors? Palantir's dominance in the AI space, combined with its strong earnings and bullish market sentiment, paints a promising picture. While there might be some short-term bumps, the long-term trend looks positive. Analysts and investors alike see significant potential in Palantir's AI-driven solutions. If you're considering adding Palantir to your portfolio, now might be the right time. With its strategic partnerships, strong financials, and leadership in AI, Palantir is well-positioned for continued growth. As always, it's important to do your own research and consider your investment goals before making any decisions. What are your thoughts on Palantir? Are you planning to buy before the AI-driven comeback? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, you may also like our hand-picked, action-packed newsletter about Palantir. Subscribe now at wiseinvesting.com. Go ahead and scan this QR code now to subscribe. And that's it. Make sure to smash the like and subscribe buttons down below. Additionally, if you want to know about Palantir stock, just click this video right here. Thank you for tuning in, and stay tuned for more exciting content in the future.